Have you ever looked at a chart and felt like it was quietly trying to tell you something? Like a hidden message sitting right in front of your eyes, waiting for the right moment to reveal itself? Because sometimes the market does not shout, it whispers. And today, that whisper is coming from a coin that has been beaten down, ignored, and pushed into a corner. Yet it is quietly setting up a move that most people will only understand after it is already too late. This is Shah, and in the next few minutes, I want to walk you through something powerful, something simple, something that makes sense even if you are not a full-time trader. We are looking at Super, currently sitting around $0.25. And the story behind this price is way bigger than just a number on a chart. Let us start with the higher time frame because the weekly chart always tells the truth. Super lost a very strong support around $0.40, a level that held for months. When that support finally shattered, price dropped directly into a very long-term support at $0.20. This is a level where history shows repeated reactions. It is not a random zone. It is a place where buyers have stepped in again and again, and now something interesting is happening. When we move down to the 4-hour chart, the structure becomes clearer. Price has been trapped inside a falling wedge, one of the most reliable patterns in technical analysis. A falling wedge does not just show a downtrend, it shows a downtrend that is losing strength, a seller's market that is running out of breath. Inside that wedge, Super kept making lower highs and lower lows, each one weaker than the last. But finally, the breakout. Not a wick, not a hesitation, a clean body breakout straight through the wedge. This is the market's whisper turning into a proper signal. As long as Super holds its support, the direction remains upward. The first area we watch is the minor resistance around $0.33. Price has reacted here before, and it is normal for markets to pause at such levels. But the real target, the level that carries weight, is $0.40. That same region that was lost before now becomes a magnet on the chart. When a market falls from a broken support and then begins its recovery, it often cycles back into that zone to test it from the other side. Momentum is quietly building. Higher time frames are stabilizing. Lower time frames are showing structure. The falling wedge breakout is complete, and the long-term support at $0.20 has held strong so far, giving Super enough space to build a base. Nothing here is impulsive, nothing is emotional. It is simply structure, market behavior, a story that unfolds the same way it has unfolded thousands of times across thousands of charts. If you enjoy this kind of calm, structured breakdown, stay connected and keep learning with me. The more you understand the language of the charts, the easier it becomes to move with confidence in a market that never stops testing your patience.